Hey guys, today I'm going to do like an overview of how my 7 days of being as productive as I can was in like what I did scheduled by the days, and I'm going to try and include any videos that I have where like they would be needed. So for day one, what I did was some schoolwork, and I think I cleaned my room on day one. If I didn't, then it was the day before. But for the most part, I definitely did do schoolwork. I know that because I have the notes right here. But I took notes, which was really good. I think these were the notes that I took. And then I worked that day. I also read. I read my book, which I finished my book now, which is good. And I'm on To Kill a Mockingbird. And it was like pretty much just working. And if I took a video that day, then I'm gonna put it like right now, and then I'll come back to day two. Okay, for day two, what I did was work, and I'm gonna put another video for my work if I have one. And I did some schoolwork, which I'm not gonna take out my notes. I just took more notes, and I did a lot of posting. That was like one of my best posting days. And if I check on that day, I'm pretty sure I posted around like how many videos. I'm really unsure how many videos I posted that day. I think I posted like 5, which was really good. That was like one of the best posting days for the start. Like I think I posted 5 the day before, 5 that day. And then on day 3 was again like, or hold on, day 2. Okay, yeah, day 2 I did lots of posting because I was on a Monday. I came home, did some posting that night, and then day 3 I did more posting. I remember doing a lot of posting that day. I think that was the day that I got my Venus flytrap, or it was the day before. No, hold on, that was like a week after I got my Venus flytrap, and I made an update video on one of those days. And so day 2 I did posting, schoolwork and stuff, and I just talked about that day. But day 3 I did lots of posting, I did some reading, and I did some schoolwork, and I took more notes. But I think, actually, I don't know if I took notes that day. I think most of that day was like playing like an activity, and then day 4 was reading and schoolwork. I didn't really have much to do. Like I think I posted some that day too. I think I might have done an unboxing video that day. And then on day 5 I did some videos, and then I read, and I did schoolwork, which I took notes that day. And the videos, I think I had almost gotten a full form video out at that time, or there was something around that, or I think I was working on this video, but I don't have like I didn't record enough to just like do whatever. And on day 7 was my most productive day, and that is the day I'm going to talk the most about in this video. But because the other days, they were important, but if I just try and sit here and talk about everything I did in all the other days, then it's not really it's going to be like an hour-long video, and like I can't really do that, you know. Like I technically could, but like I don't necessarily want to, and I'd rather just talk about the one. Okay, on day 7, that was Sunday. The Saturday before, I had posted a lot of videos. I posted 1 or 2, and then, or was that last weekend? I think I had started like really wanting to post again, like long form. Like I really got the motivation. Posted like tons of videos on day 6 and day 7. So those are the 2 days that I'll like talk about like kind of together, because those were like my most productive days, just in different ways. but I had posted a lot of videos. I posted like 2 full form videos, and I would have had 3. Actually, it was like 2 or 3 I had out, and I would have had 1 more. I read a lot that day. I remember like I read a little bit of my book after doing, I don't know what I did, but I was like reading a book. I think I was reading To Kill a Mockingbird at that point. I did some schoolwork. It was, again, I just read through. I didn't have any notes for that. And then I fed my Venus flytrap. I had work that day. I cleaned. I packed a bag for my Pop-Pop's house. And then I got a blind bag. Like, I think I did... That was the day that I did, like, 2 videos, I think. Because that was last Sunday. I did, like, 2 videos that day or something of just doing blind bags, which was really nice. And I got those videos out. And I'm not going to include them. I'll just show you what I got if you're interested in that. Which I got, it's McMaggots. It's like McDonald's. It's just like really gross. I got this like eyeball drink, which is really gross. I got 2 of these. They're supposed to be like the blind bag balls. But yeah, I got 2. Same thing. And I got magnifying glasses. I got Dr. Popper. Sorry if my hand's like shaky. But yeah. I got this. I think it's ramen. And it's just like nasty. I got this like milk. It's rat milk or something. I got peanut butter. Chuck E. Cheese pizza. Yogurt. Listerine. Well, Lister-Rotten. I got like a crock. This is really nasty. And that was everything that I got. The rest of the stuff that's in there is magnifying glasses, but that was like what most of the day was for that day. And it was just like looking at how my videos were doing and checking on that and stuff like that. Which on day 7 I had been doing a lot of like stuff, which I think day 7 would have been June 6th or June 7th. I think it's June 6th, which I posted 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, which I'm not sure. It could have been like 2 more videos that had gotten posted like late that night or something. Like, I'm really unsure. Yeah, I think I posted quite a lot more videos than it's, unless if I'm like not, because I'm not sure. Okay, no, the 7th was that Monday. It was the 7th that I posted, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 videos on my YouTube that I posted, and I had a video get 500 views, and I think that's whenever I started to get to like 100 subscribers, which was really good. So I've just been like going up since that, and I posted I posted the 10 tips for online school that day. I posted my day 41 the day before and what online school is like. So I posted 3 videos in 2 days, which was really good. Which it was probably 3 videos in one day, but it just took a while for that one, because usually they take a while. But I've just been like getting more like long form videos out consistently, which is really good, and I plan to continue doing that. Try and get a couple out each week instead of just trying to get one on Sunday, because I can't promise for any day. I feel like I could save the video until the end of the week, but then also if I just try and do multiple videos and then post one out and then work on the next one, like I'll have a better chance at doing that. I'm going to include all the videos that are related to any of the things that I was talking about whenever like I said that I would. So thank you for watching and have a good day.